Melt metal mold dreams. The Naliro Pro propane melting furnace kit lets you transform scrap into pure profit, melting aluminum in just 10 minutes. With a 6-kilogram graphite crucible built for up to 1800 degrees Celsius, it handles gold, silver, copper, and more like a pro. Want to turn junk into custom figurines or jewelry you can price yourself? All that for just $161. This isn't just a furnace, it's a mini money factory. Healthy snacks for humans and dogs. The Magic Mill Pro Dehydrator turns basic veggies, meats, or herbs into delicious, sellable treats, all for just $140. With a digital thermostat, built-in timer, and keep warm function, everything comes out perfect, whether it's fruit leathers, dried flowers, or crunchy granola. It's your all-in-one wellness snack lab, right in your kitchen. A full-blown injection molding machine on your garage workbench. The Inari P35 delivers 2 tons of pressure and hits 320 degrees Celsius, letting you craft gears, propellers, tool handles, even pro-grade lures. Use engineering plastics to match factory-level quality and launch your own product line, all without a factory. Compact, powerful, and wildly creative, this machine makes manufacturing magic real. Handmade soap that smells amazing and sells fast. This $60 soap making kit gives you everything: 6 lush fragrances, 6 vibrant colorants, plus wrapping and twine to make your own eco-conscious brand. No harsh chemicals, no guesswork, just pure, relaxing creativity that pays off. Customers love natural soaps, and with demand booming, why not turn your garage into a scent-filled soap studio today? Want to cash in on a $55 billion market from your garage? The Best Gear tufting gun fires out 40 stitches per second, turning simple yarn into stunning custom rugs with pro-level precision. Just set the pile height, punch through the backing, and watch your designs come alive, fast, flawless, and ready to sell. For just $158, this isn't a hobby. It's your ticket to turning art into income. Tired of mystery meat and store-bought sausage? The Hakka sausage stuffer brings full control to your kitchen. No fillers, no weird bits, just pure, delicious meat. With 2 speed settings and 4 stainless steel nozzles, you can craft everything from spicy chorizo to bratwursts like a pro. At just $139, it's your shortcut to healthier, tastier, and totally custom sausages that customers and your family will crave. Tying sausages by hand? Not anymore. This sausage tying machine handles sausages and bratwursts up to 50 millimeters wide, delivering clean, pro-level ties in seconds. Say goodbye to messy ends and hello to high-volume, hassle-free production for just $245. Why not turn your garage into a mini Silicon Valley? The Neoden kit lets you print, mount, and bake circuit boards, all from a small workspace. With 5,000 parts-hour speed, a precision printer, and a 3-zone convection oven, it's perfect for startups, prototypes, and small batch production. No big lab, no big budget, just big potential. If you've got the skills, this is how you cash in on your tech genius. No electricity? No problem. The Vevor button maker is fully manual and comes with everything you need to start your own creative business, right from your garage. Just snap the pieces together, pick a design from the included image booklet, and press. No heating, no sanding, no stress. And all this for just $110. Turning gold into profit has never been this precise. The Bulunmaz Fireball is a 5-axis jewelry machine built for perfection, especially for crafting 2 to 8mm gold beads with flawless detail. Simple controls, pro-grade accuracy, and even seller support if you're just starting out. With gold prices up 15x since 1974, this isn't just a tool, it's your garage-sized gold mine. Just $50. The leather splitter turns your garage into a mini leather workshop. It slices vegetable or chrome-tanned leather down to just 1 millimeter, perfect for sleek watch straps, belts, and custom accessories. Handles pieces up to 8 centimeters wide, giving you endless room for creativity and profit. Who knew a tool this small could open doors to such big opportunities? Love popcorn and profits. The Paragon popcorn machine cranks out a jaw-dropping 147 servings per hour. That's $2 a bag and your investment back in just 2 hours. Whether it's parks, malls, or movie nights, this is your golden ticket to instant hustle. No overhead, just butter-scented success waiting to pop. Why not turn your garage into a joy factory? With this balloon stuffing machine, you can create magical surprise balloons filled with LEDs, toys, or sweet little gifts. No experience needed. Just follow the simple steps and start making smiles for birthdays, weddings, and events all year long. For just $400, you're not buying a machine. You're investing in celebration on demand. Want your garage to smell like sweet profits? The Cotton Candy Express CC1000S costs just $80 and comes loaded with cones and 5 jars of flavored sugar, from cherry to blue raspberry. Each jar makes 30 servings, and when you're out, just toss in crushed hard candy. Weighing only 2 kilograms, it's compact, portable, and totally side hustle ready. Childhood joy plus real income, who could resist that combo? Turn overlooked beach stones into shiny profits. The Vever Rock Tumbler Kit costs just $52 and transforms rough rocks into polished gems ready to sell to crafters, tourists, or shops. It's whisper quiet, has a no reset timer that keeps going even if the power cuts out, and is so simple an 8-year-old could run it. Compact, effortless, and insanely profitable, why let treasure sit in the sand? Serving bubble tea like a pro? The Want Join cup sealing machine seals up to 600 cups per hour with flawless precision. Plastic or paper, it doesn't blink. It even tracks your daily output, so you know exactly how fast you're growing. For just $442, you're ready to crush big orders and serve nonstop happiness, right from your garage. Want to customize hats like a pro from your own garage? The Vever Hat Heating Press reaches up to 299 degrees Celsius and works on everything from baseball caps to bucket hats and berets. With its non-stick Teflon plate, digital temp screen, and built-in timer, you're set for flawless results every time. At just $170, it's your all-access pass to launch the next streetwear trend with zero fuss. Ever dreamed of turning clay into cash? The Vever Pottery Wheel makes it possible. With a reversible spin, LCD touchscreen, and both manual and foot pedal controls. Whether you're a total beginner or a sculpting pro, this $162 wheel includes 16 premium tools to shape your vision into reality. From handcrafted mugs to boutique ceramics, the only limit is your imagination. The Cricut Mug Press isn't just a tool, it's your $147 ticket to turning mugs into money. With a patented heating plate, it delivers vibrant, dishwasher-safe prints that never fade. Perfect for custom gifts, corporate logos, or viral quotes. Want 5-star reviews and repeat orders? This compact powerhouse turns your creativity into profit with zero hassle and max style. Want to launch your own fashion line without being a designer? The Cricut EasyPress 3 makes it real. Just like an iron, but smarter, hotter, up to 205 degrees Celsius, and paired with the Cricut app that guides you step by step. Print stunning, long-lasting designs on denim, tees, or thick fabrics right from your small space. At just $146, it's your shortcut to stylish profits and wearable art. Dreaming of your own bubble tea biz? The Want Join Boba Maker is your $200 ticket to chewy success, cranking out 1 kilogram of tapioca balls per hour, enough for 40 cups of pure joy. Fast, easy, and perfect for milk tea, taro balls, or custom creations. This isn't just a machine, it's your shortcut to sweet profits. Brew award-winning craft beer without the mess or the mystery. The Pico Brew Zymatic turns complex brewing into a 4-hour push-button adventure, right from your phone. With whole grain tech, 100-plus pro recipes, and a 19-elo keg ready for bars or festivals, it's not just brewing, it's a business in a box. No massive gear, no brewing degree, just tap, brew, and pour your passion into profit. The X-Tool F1 Ultra is a garage-sized powerhouse, the world's first to combine a 20-watt fiber and diode laser in one machine. With a 22-centimeter engraving area, AI autofocus, and conveyor expansion, it's built for serious creators. Engrave gold, steel, leather, even cookies. And yes, and cut wood up to 15mm thick like butter. For just $3,600, this isn't a tool, it's your factory of possibilities. Turn your garage into a sweet moneymaker with the Bee-Box Urban Hive. This compact hive produces up to 30 kilograms of honey a year, no protective suit needed, and it even fits on a balcony. With online training and zero farming experience required, you can start your own honey biz right from home. Natural honey sells fast, and now, so can you. For just $677, sweet success is only one hive away. Why settle for just a 3D printer when you can own a mini factory? The Bamboo Lab H2D doesn't stop at prototypes. It prints finished products, helmets, sneakers, even full outfits. With 36 smart sensors, 4 vision cameras, and built-in laser cutting and engraving, it's like having a tech-powered craft studio right in your garage. Turn your ideas into high-profit products with zero compromise on quality. Who knew making money could look this good?